Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Zakia Sultana. Today I am going to cook chicken grill salad. So for this salad, we need a chicken piece which we will go to grill. So here I took a breast piece of a chicken. Now I will cut it into two pieces. Well, after cutting it, now I'm going to take a bowl. Now I will put the chickens on the bowl. Here is one piece and another piece. Now I'm going to add some masala. Here I took 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of chili powder, and half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm going to mix all of the masala with the chicken, and I also take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and some of mustard oil. Now I'm going to mix it and marinate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, now I'm going to grill it. I took a pan on stove. Now I put some cooking oil on the pan. I took 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I will fry my chicken piece. Here is one piece. Here is another piece. Let it cooked. Till then, let's check out what we need for the salad part. Here I took some vegetable. Here I took cucumber, carrot, tomato, capsicum, and some lettuce leaves for the decoration. And I will also add some lemon juice. And I will also add sweet corns. Now I need a dressing for the salad. Here I took a bowl. Now I will 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now I need chili cut, ginger cut, some of chili powder, and half tablespoon of black pepper, and some pieces of mint. I cut it into little piece. Now I'm going to mix everything with mustard oil. The dressing for the salad. I cut the vegetable into little pieces. Now I'm going to take a big bowl and I'm going to mix the salad pieces with the dressing. I have to mix it very well. Now I'm going 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It will increase the whole taste and it is also healthy for our body. I added the sweet corns and I'm mixing it very well. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell about onion. It is a very essential part for the salad. I don't know how could I forget it. So now at the end I'm going to mix 1/4 cup of onion cut and I will mix it with the vegetables. So here is our chicken. Our chicken is ready. And beside, our salad is also ready. Now I'm going to cut it and decorate it. I'm just cutting it to look it's more delicious. In this recipe I try to maintain both protein and vegetable for our, which is actually very essential for our body, and I decorate it with some mayonnaise and grill sauce, which will give it a grilly flavor to this salad. So this is how I decorate it. It looks so yummy and it is more tasty to eat. So here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.